Umintri rangba kejelau layathu ba Haduh Mynta layo ban kem mi kisan Ngut ki breu ki baladon kti banbu yo bom IED ha khardop ka office jongka National People Party ha lachumer kentup yo wei u blasha kem ha ka nyo tarik mentau benai na kasnong pernai. Habakren sekilar pathai khubor nakaliang umintri rangba kejelau Conrad konggal sangma haka sengining kong uloong ba omla ban yathu lut halor katei ka benta henre Haduh Mynta nakaliang kipulit kilayo ban kem mi kisan Ngut ki badon kti banbu bom IED ha khardop ka NPP office haka sau tarik mentau benai. Ulai thuru balengba kacingyo kem yo wei badon kti banbu bom IED ha khardop ka office NPP ulapla bau dei mau ubalalej banbu yo bom ha khardop office ka NPP balengba ka jingpla ka jong u la yoru ban kem sai ki saungut ki wei pat ki badon kti ha ka te ka kam. Haka wei kaliang nakaliang umintri rangba ula persai ru halor ka jing penmi ya ka khubor halor ka jing suba ha ka jinglej bu bom IED ha khardop ka office NPP kala bandon ka jing sela politics da ka baong ba uklam penmi ya ka te ka kerwo henrei ula shujubab ya ka jingkeli bakila keli ya u shushu ulo ong ru kala bandon henrei ngimtim bat nakaliang ki pulit ki latre shitom ban yo kem ya baro ki badon kti ha ka te ka kam ha ka ba Mynta ki layo ban kem mi kisan Ngut bat hadin habut kin sayo ban kem lut ya baro ki badon kti ha ka te ka kam bu bom IED.
But I will not be able to give you the whole details because these are sensitive issues. But total 5 arrests have been made. Apart from the individual who actually placed the bomb outside, he has already been caught and he has already testified. So he has already accepted that he is the one who placed it, and through him we were able to again connect with another 4 people. So all those 4 also have been arrested, and likely that in the next 24 hours, 48 hours, another few arrests will be made. NPP should not look at this as a political thing. Now let me make it very clear. I never made that statement. It was in response to a similar question like what you're asking me today. Somebody had asked, I forgot who, that is there a possible political link to this incident? And my reply was, there could be. We cannot simply write that off. So I never made that statement. I simply was reacting to a question that was asked by one of you. But I request if those kind of questions should not be made as if I'm making a statement. So coming back to your question, that there could be, but we don't know. But police will of course look at all the angles and will do the investigation. And police is doing a good work right now. And as I said, 5 arrests have been made, and possibly more arrests will be made. And they're very much into the entire investigation.